Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight, we will discuss about the wiring diagram for convenience outlet. This is line 1, line 2 ground or neutral. This is a safety switch. This is line side, this is load side. Ang line 1 natin patungo sa convenience outlet. Ito hindi ganito yung electrical symbol sa convenience outlet guys, pero renewing ko lang to kagaya sa forma ng outlet natin guys. May dalaw-dalawang butas, pero yung sa gilid naka-jumper siya sa kabilang side, line 1 at sa another side naka-jumper for line 2. Then naka-series parallel sa another convenience outlet, tugang. Then the same lang yapon guys ang connection sa another tugang convenience outlet. Naka-series parallel pa rin gang guys, tugang convenience outlet, then dito tugang outlet, then tugang convenience outlet. Ito guys, ito yung marang metal guys sa gilid para connected yung itong line na to, butas na to at saka butas to, connect to guys dito. Metal, hindi pwede sa kabila. Kaya may iba din dito sa kabila guys, yung metal niya sa gilid para magka-connect din to, yung may connection din tong dito butas at saka itong butas na to. Another wiring diagram for SPO, Special Purpose Outlet. Ito guys yung outlet for sa ating mga aircon guys. 3 pins siya guys. Ito line 1, line 2 ground or neutral. Ito yung safety switch, ito yung line side, line 1, line 2, ito yung load side. Load side is line 1 patungo dito sa SPO terminal. Then ang another terminal dito guys para sa line 2. Pero ug may neutral yung panel board natin guys, pwede lagyan ito. May body ground guys dito, pwede lagyan ng body ground ito sa convenience outlet at saka dito tungo sa safety switch. This is legend guys, note used for aircon, for heater, used for exhaust fan special guys. Bible verse of the day, Romans 6 verse 11. Likewise reckon ye also yourselves to be dead indeed unto sin, but alive unto God through Jesus Christ our Lord. Thank you for watching guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.